Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Rust disconnected EAC authentication timeout. Just to close button, click cancel button, click it to close it. In this video, saying before like and comment this video, don't forget subscribe. In these steps, one by one, follow to this problem fix it. If you want more gaming and technical serious videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart router or system. So first router restarted, then come to system. So go to the start menu, click on the power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. After that, just sometimes this method work it, just try it, then go to the next step, reset internet connection. So go to the settings, we can click to open it, then go to the network and internet, then scroll down, click on the advanced network settings, then scroll down, click on the network reset. Then you can click on the reset now button, just confirmation yes, click here. After that, wait 5 minutes, automatically restart your system. Then go to the next step, disable your Windows firewall or Windows security. So go to the Windows search bar, then type the Windows security. Then go to the virus and threat protection. Then click on the manage settings. Then real time protection, if this turn it on, just click to turn it off. Then close it. Then go to the next step, command promote. So go to the Windows search bar, then type the cmd. Then right click on the run as administrator. Type that commands. These all commands description insert, then copy to paste. First command ipconfig, give the space /flushdns. Next command like hit the enter. Then next command for the ipconfig, give the space /release. Then exit. Then just on restarted your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment, I give the answer. If you want more gaming and technical serious videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. This method working or not working, comment section go to comment. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.